In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix access denied on Amazon. So if you're not being able to access the Amazon, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. Try connecting to another internet connection and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the browser data. Open the browser in which you're not being able to access the Amazon. Click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen if you're using the Google Chrome. Now click on this option, delete browsing data, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to delete the browsing data. Select the time period. Also make sure to check all the boxes for browsing data, cookies and other site data, cached images and files and download history. Now click on this option, delete data, that you can see on the screen. Now after the browsing data is deleted, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, try checking the account credentials. Make sure the credentials that you're using in order to access your account are correct. Enter the correct mobile number or email address and enter the correct password. After you do that, you should be able to access your Amazon account. But still, if your problem is not solved, it might be caused because of the VPN services. So make sure you've disabled any kind of VPN. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If you're using the Amazon in the browser, also try checking for the browser extension. Click on the extension icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now click on this option, manage extensions, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all the extensions over here. Make sure to remove the extensions that you suspect is causing the problem. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, the problem might be with the device itself. So simply restart your device. There might be some temporary software glitches or connectivity issues. So click on the start icon that you can see on the screen. Click on the power button. Now what you have to do is click on this option, restart, that you can see on the screen. Now after your device is restarted, simply try logging into the Amazon shopping and you should be able to access the Amazon. So that is how you fix access denied in Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.